be in Watch Dogs 2. All you have to do is go to the shop and get what type of car is this?
You want me to get out and go into the shop?
Yeah, go in the shop and see what car this is.
My motorcycle. No! Did I put down our jumper? No. That's our drone. Oh, wrong buttons! So what you're going to have to do is you're going to want to go to muscle cars. And then buy this car.
Alright, I'll zoom in onto it.
You don't have to go to the paint jobs because paint jobs don't show it. I bought all of them today, but don't put any of these on your car. Just buy it and then exit. Because when you get the car, it'll come out and turn out like...
Hopefully.
This.
Well, hopefully it will.
Obviously, if it did it for us, it'll do it for other people if they do what the video says.
But if it doesn't,
this stupid music. We need to put on some good music.
I like this music. Oh. Put on Get Stupid, okay?
Put on what?
Put on Get Stupid.
Guess what?
Get Stupid. What's happening?
It's another fucking car.
They're trying to explode your car.
It's gonna explode?
I think they're trying to explode it, so I better get out.
Explode his car.
They murdered Bumblebee!
Get in his car. I think he wants you to do that.
They murdered Bumblebee!
Hey, stay where you are.
Oh, you can team up.
No, you have to have PlayStation Plus, boy. Alright guys, bye!